What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. We're here with Ant. Yo. Dan. Yo. Nick. Yo. And yeah, sick day. It's Monday, the 21st. We're agreeing on that without checking our phones. Yep. And it is so nice out. Got here just at 12 when it south opened. Runs are fun, snow is soft. They've got a ton of features up and it's gonna be a sick day. I'm gonna try and get some follow cams from Ant and Dan, hopefully, if they're willing. And yeah, before we jump into the video, I have a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers before the end of the snowboarding season. So if you are enjoying the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me and let's jump right into it. Yew! So we've taken a couple of sick runs, had some follow cams, and we're pretty close to the end of the day. But yeah, just want to give you a little mountain update. South has been much less busy than when it opened, like the first couple days. Line is maybe 5 minutes tops, and the mountain's good, a little slushy, a little spring conditions in the middle of winter.
Disclaimer though, it is a weekday, so I don't know, we don't know what it's like on the weekends here.
Well, stay away on the weekends. That's just my advice. Unless the weather's really bad, no one can make it except for you and your Toyota 4Runner. But
that thing will go through anything.
That thing will go through anything. I don't have one, but
I aspire to.
Yeah. But anyway, let's jump into a few more runs and we're gonna call it a day. You. What's up, Dan? Oh, I got both of you. Let's go. I got that, bro. Thanks,
Good night.
Ant.
Yeah.
That was great.
Good skiing.
Everyone go subscribe to Ant's channel.
Yeah,
It doesn't exist. That was another sick day at Creek.
Yeah, this is a great day.
Yeah, it was honestly one of the best days so far.
Yeah.
No, the best day so far. We've only been here 3 times. There aren't that many people here compared to all the other times.
Yeah.
Trails were great. South already has a ton of features, so that's so sick. I think they had 16 features total. Anything else? Anything else?
Smash subscribe, hit
Yeah.
that bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
Daily videos, baby.
Daily videos. I'm uploading. Thank you. I keep forgetting to say this. I am uploading daily videos during winter break until I go back to school. So subscribe. That's simple. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.